Okay, here as well. I'm making chokers for a customer of mine. She loved the first one I made for her with this print, and she wanted me to make 5 more, so I'm making them right now. Don't have a sewing machine, so doing it by hand. This is like the perfect way to learn how to sew, doing stitches and everything. It's just very, very time consuming, but it'll make your stitches and everything look more neat. And you know, if something happens to your sewing machine, what do? You sew. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna be going out later. I'm trying to remember to vlog. I haven't vlogged in a long time, so it's like I got it, yo. I'm getting there, but talk to y'all later.
Yeah, I love the show. Yeah, I love the show.